You know when Deola brings out her big ass wine glass, you know some shit is about to go down. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. The past couple of weeks has been rough. Very rough. I'm definitely not gonna go all into it because I'm pretty sure you know exactly what I'm talking about. In fact, talking about it again is like kind of reliving the trauma of what a lot of Nigerians, a lot of young Nigerians have been going through. So I'm not gonna do that today. Today is self-care. Well, it's not today, it's this evening. Actually, what time is it? 9 something. It's like past 9. And I realized, I think 2 days ago, that my skin is like going to my skin is like suffering a lot. I actually don't think I remember the last time I did like a proper exfoliation of my skin and everything. I decided to use tonight to do a really nice skincare routine, share it with you guys, and also test out this new setup that I have right here. Part of the reason why I got this mirror is because I thought it would be an amazing alternative light source. I thought that it would mimic like a ring light by basically surrounding all parts of my face or my body with light, and I think it is doing that good job. You guys should let me know in the comment section below what the lighting looks like. If you like it, let me know. The background is basically my wardrobe. Like you can see all my clothes and my bed, my pillows and everything. Enough about that, let's get to the main gist of today's video. Skincare. In times of turmoil, times of anxiety, in times of drama, skincare has always been a really good self-care method for me. Before I begin with today's video, please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my channel. I'd love for you all to join the Deola Adebiyi family here on YouTube. Also, please don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be one of the first people to know. Let's get started with some wine and skincare. So the first thing I'm going to do to kick off this skincare routine is wash my face. And I'm going to be using this baby right here. You guys should be familiar with this product. I love it. It's a top fave. I use it all the time. This is the Beauty Formula's Detox Cleanser with Activated Charcoal. It's absolutely one of my favorite products. And I'm going to be using this with my Real Technique sponge. It's actually in my bathroom. I forgot to bring it out. I feel like I got a lot of texture, so I need to flake away some of these dead skin cells and get my skin looking nice and smooth. Somebody said it looks like a beauty blender, and I agree. It does look like a beauty blender, but this is a cleansing sponge. It's an exfoliating sponge, so it's a bit rough. So I've rinsed off the cleanser and now I'm on to my exfoliator. This is the new Skin Glycolic Facial Exfoliator from Beauty Formulas. This product is a combination of a physical exfoliator and a chemical exfoliator. Physical because it has beads inside of them, very small gentle beads, and it also has glycolic acid, lactic acid, and a couple of other really nice exfoliating acids. So I really like using this product. I use it like once or twice a week. It really depends on how my skin is feeling that particular day, or if I have a really big event, or if I want to do a really nice makeup look and I want my skin to be smooth. So tomorrow I am doing my makeup because we're shooting a couple of things in the office, so I want my skin to be nice and smooth. And then I'm gonna leave it on my skin for a little bit. I feel like this is a good product for someone that is trying to incorporate acids into their routine, but they're worried about using like a toner or a serum. But even if it's on your face for just like a little bit, at least it's giving you're getting some of the benefits, if you catch my drift. So I went to my parents' house the other day and I stole this bottle of wine from my mom. The funny thing is that my mom doesn't drink wine. When I got to her place and there were like 2 bottles of the wine in the fridge, I was like, when do you start drinking wine? So I took one bottle for myself. I like this wine because it tastes like something you can cook with. I feel like I can make a really good tomato sauce with this wine. I'm really excited about the possibilities of living on my own and doing my own thing. I can finally cook the way I want. I can finally film more cooking videos now. I've always wanted to share more lifestyle content. Lifestyle content can look like you're doing a lot of things at the same time, but I've come to realize that I am a lot of things at the same time and have a lot of interest in a lot of things. Because, you know, before I used to like try to segment myself like, okay, I'm a fashion blogger, I'm a beauty blogger. But now I'm a human being who likes to create content around the things that she loves, whether that be fashion, beauty, home, alcohol. You know, I just have a lot of interest and I love to create content. So that is who I am right now. That is who you guys are gonna see. I hope to create more food content. I can't wait to do more food stuff. Also, home tour. I know. I have an idea for what I'm going to be doing for the home tour. I don't want to do one single video. I want to do, like I say, 3 videos. And the reason why I say I want to do 3 videos, well, I want to do a video for each section of my place. The reason why I want to do that is because I want to go in depth into each and every thing that I bought or I got and how, like, that space. Basically, I want to just talk about the space in depth. By the way, if you're interested in trying out any of the Beauty Formulas products, please use my discount code. Use the link in my description box. You will get 20% off all your orders at checkout. No minimum spend. And what I really like about Beauty Formulas products is that they're super affordable. All right, we're all dried off. We have one more exfoliating step. Whenever I'm looking for maximum exfoliation, maximum smoothness, I pull out this bad boy. This is the Banish Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. It is one of my favorite masks of all time. If you have textured skin, if you have rough skin and you're looking for something to give you that instant smoothness, believe me, this is for you. Now the thing about this is that it can be pretty strong. It does tingle, but the tingle does go down. Do not use this on any active acne. So Banish delivers to Nigeria, which is amazing, and I have a discount code as well. No minimum spend. You can also click the link in the description box below, and you can use my discount code to, you know, buy yourself some nice Banish products. I just started painting my face and I didn't even explain what I was doing. Basically, I'm applying the mask with this brush in really nice thin layers. This mask is super powerful. I don't use it all the time. This is for maximum exfoliation. I'm using this because literally I noticed here I could feel like dry patches. I could see my skin like flaky, and I knew like I needed to exfoliate because I hadn't exfoliated in so long. This mask has pumpkin fruit, organic bilberry fruit, sugarcane extract, orange peel, lemon peel, vitamin E, vitamin C, glycolic acid, neem seed oil, cinnamon, ginger root, nutmeg. Look at this is the real fucking deal. Do not mess with this mask. Let's discuss the elephant in the room, the Lekki Toe massacre. It's crazy that, you know, people are getting killed for just demanding not to be killed, and the government is trying to make us think that we're like, it's trying to make us think like we're stupid. We're like basically trying to lie to us and lie to the international community, and it's just crazy how the government and SARS and just like, we need to become politically educated. We need to educate ourselves way more about politics. We need to know more. We need to learn more. We need to arm ourselves with education. We need to actively go out and vote, go out and participate, go out and find out what's going on. We have been slacking for way too long. And I feel like with NSAS, we all woke up. We all just like, what's going on? It's like everybody was like awake. So I'm really proud of us as Nigerians. I'm really proud of the NSAS movement. I'm really proud of everything that we've been able to do. Some people might say, oh, we lost. Some people might say we didn't achieve anything. But I feel like we've sent a message that, yo, you guys should watch out for the Nigerian youth. We out here doing things. Don't fuck with us. That's what I really think, and I love it so much. This mask is going to stay on my skin until it dries, so about 10 to 15 minutes. Depending on how thick the layers are, it can take longer. But thinner layers usually take between 10 to 15 minutes. So I use that time to drink wine, think about my life, watch anime. I've been watching an anime called Food Wars. Oh my god. It is so hype and so fun at the same time. I never knew I could watch a food anime that is so hype. Like, Food Wars is hype AF. If you're out there and you watch anime and you're looking for something hype to take over your mind in these, you know, interesting times, watch Food Wars. If you don't already watch Food Wars, I think you should watch Food Wars. It's such a good show. This is almost dry. Let me go and rinse this off, and then we'll get into some of the fun products that I'm going to be using tonight. Alright, so we're out of the bathroom. My skin is looking so nice and smooth. Let's move on to this baby right here. This is the Banish Vitamin C Beauty Elixir. This is basically a hydrating mist with vitamin C. So I'm just going to move in right into my retinol. I don't use it as frequently as I should. You should be using your retinol like once or twice a week. I'm using it like 3 to 4 times a month, and I think it's because I really want my retinol to last. I'm using the Inky List retinol. Every night I use my retinol. The next morning I look beautiful. My skin is so smooth. So as I said, I'm doing makeup tomorrow, so my skin is gonna be looking nice and beautiful. We're gonna move on into a sheet mask. This is the Real Nature Pomegranate Firming Sheet Mask. I got this sheet mask from a Korean store in Lagos in Ikate. They followed me on Instagram and I was like, ooh, we have Korean stores we got Korean stores here. This firming and revitalizing sheet mask with pomegranate extract restores skin elasticity and vitality. I should put this in the fridge. Oof. This is the problem I have with sheet masks. They're so covered and so soaked in that goo that I'm so scared of tearing it apart. I've spent like the last 5 minutes just trying to open a fucking sheet mask. Almost there. Ooh, I'm gonna take whatever and then just rub it on my hands. This is so soaked. So the theory I have with using a sheet mask on the days I use my retinol is really simple. A sheet mask is basically a serum, and you want your retinol to be closest to your skin, and then you put your serums on top of it. Using a retinol, then using my sheet mask is just like the perfect serum combination. You have this mask delivering such a high amount of serum and hydration to your skin on top of retinol, which is already a super power skincare ingredient. My skin is going to be looking and feeling so... There's so much serum in this. I think that's my thing. It's like it feels very wasteful. There's so much liquid left. I'm gonna rub it all over my body. You know, nobody wants ashy knees. So Halloween has been kind of cancelled, unfortunately. I do have a look I am doing for Halloween, but I'm not doing any of the major looks I was planning on doing before. It's unfortunate because I had some really good ideas for Halloween this year, but alas, life just doesn't go the way you want it. My birthday is coming up. I'm turning 30 and I'm so fucking excited. I'm planning a thing. With me and my friends for my birthday. I'm super excited. I cannot wait. Like, honestly cannot wait. 30 seems like an interesting year. I feel like I've come into my own. I'm learning, I'm growing, I'm becoming a better person, I'm becoming a better woman. There's just so many layers to me. This year has been so shitty, to be honest. This year has, you know, really dealt us a lot of blows, but at the end of the day, this year has also been like a huge lesson for me, and I'm very sure a lot of people. I wonder how historians will remember 2020. Alright, it's been a couple of minutes and I'm tired. I look like a glazed donut. It feels so good though. I really feel like having that mask sit on my skin with the serum, with the retinol, is really going to help smoothen my skin further. So this is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion Plus. I'm only going to use a little bit of this because we already have a lot of moisture going on the skin. So the last but not the least is this little sample of this face oil I got from this brand. I had actually ordered their body butter and they were giving out free samples of their face oil. So I'm just gonna do little tiny drops. This is gonna seal everything into the skin. If I had a jade roller, this would be the perfect time to use my jade roller. In fact, I'm planning on getting a jade roller. When I get my jade roller, I'm gonna do a video demonstrating my jade roller, showing how to use it and the benefits of using a jade roller. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope we're all doing well, and I know we're still going through a lot, especially with what happened over the past couple of weeks. I have faith in us, I have faith in our unity, and I have faith in everything that we have been able to do together and we have been able to put out into the world. So I hope this video makes you feel better. I hope it gives you a little bit of respite and entertainment as we go through these interesting times. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification button, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!